Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about the Automotive oil film cleaning brush. I've never used this product personally myself, but when I look at the picture here, it's like a cleaning brush for your car, right? It have these claims of these pictures here, like the before and after. The before and after is pretty wild, right? Because the before and after is pretty jarring as well. I'm pretty sure this after picture here is just a picture they took from the internet, but nevertheless, I think I think these are Photoshop actually. Look, you can see the hand is exactly the same. They just uh color graded it to be different. That should be a red flag for you. But nevertheless, let's continue. It advertised that it's effortless to use, right? And it's just like wiping your car shield like that. It's versatile in users and it has anti-fogging protection, whatever that means. As you can see here, it can be used in the windshield, the sunroof, or the window glass. And it's a very simple step. Just press the sponge center block switch, and then you apply the cleaning agent, and then you just rinse off the decomposed oil stains. So it's things like this. It makes your glass kind of hydrophobic, if that's the correct word. It just makes the water able to slip more easily. This is the same before and after picture. You can see again, I'm pretty sure this is Photoshop here. It's the exact same hand there. But let's move to the reviews, right? Because the reviews is the most important part here. This is the AI generated summary, and it says customers have negative opinions about the functionality, stain removal, and value of the money of the product. I'm pretty sure it's $9 or $8.99. It's basically $9. And let's take a look at some of the reviews, right? It's do not wise a base. This is a waste of money. I put product on my car windshield before it rained. It was sadly disappointing how it clearly wasn't working and didn't work as well as advertised. Did nothing but leave spots on my window. It did work as said, but doesn't last as long as expected. If you've seen videos on FP of this product or something similar, know that this is not it. So basically, this is it works, I guess, for a brush, but it's not. It does not work as advertised, and it's $9 as well. So based on that, is this good for your money? It depends on what you want. If you want just like a simple brush, then sure, you can buy this. But do note that this does not work as advertised. And again, for the third time, these pictures are photoshopped.